sink or swim kind of thing.
Yeah, it's a bit of a, unfortunately, it's probably a bit of both.
Yeah.
And you could probably tell me your experience on that. But we have been investing in supports for international students and then being really intentional in connecting with the international students even before they get here. And so having, online orientations, having a dedicated staff member that they can contact if they've got questions. And many of our international students are coming from areas of the world that do not have winters like we have.
Oh, I know all about that. That's the key word, by the way, winter. Yeah.
And so even things like, talking about a winter jacket, right, or a toque or mitts, and then just preparing the students before they get here, even what our airport looks like, and if
Oh,
you're
yes.
used to large airports, right, and that sort of thing, and then getting off the plane on the tarmac in Grand Prairie